Whoa, 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 whoa! 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 Yeah, look, 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 look. So it's still in his pram. Still. Let me check it. He likes to cry. All right, let's try one more time. Let's try one more.
So what's up guys, this video is about something that happened to me that I caught on video recording, screen record on my iPhone with one of my ex-paranormal investigators you see on my channel. We done stream together, his name was Wayne. So what we were doing this particular day was we're doing spirit boxes, and we thought, right, let's do it, because he was telling me via this that he thinks his house is haunted. One day he saw something going out of his room. He thought it was his girlfriend, and she was asleep right next to him. So this is a little bit explanation of after that first video. So as you see, the door opened. It was just him and his kid, as I blurred the face out because that's what he wanted. That door opened by itself. His girlfriend was at work, as you will see in the second one, I believe it is. She's at work and she comes in and we tell her, and yeah, she didn't believe us at the time. And then more on his house got more haunted. It got to the point where he was mumbling stuff in his sleep that his girlfriend told him about. His cats wouldn't go anywhere near him, and just stuff like that, you know. And he's a really good mate of mine. I've known him since we were both in the UK. We have something called primary school, which is like, yeah, we've known each other since primary school. Been one of my good mates since then. So this happened to him because I started like ghost investigation crew. It was just me, and then I invited him to do what he needed to do with me. So we thought we'd load some apps up, give some apps a try, and there was one spirit box app. Let me grab my phone. There was one spirit box app that, let me see if I can find, as I got a new one now. I think I deleted. There was one spirit box. Oh no, the Sono X10 Spirit Pro box. We're using the free version to that, which is the light version, and we got some amazing. We got some amazing stuff off that. If you see, guys, this is the one that we're using at the time. You get my name through, his name through, and then you see the door opened, which we were starting to. I'm trying to find more footage of that as my screen recording, because we were demanding, well, provoking it to open the door more. Prior to this, you see the two videos you've seen with the door opening twice, opened 2-3 times before that. So I wanted to catch it on paranormal evidence you see me speak about on my live stream, and we wanted to catch the paranormal side. So that's what we did. I screen recorded it, and this is what you see. If you can't hear my voice, it's because I was in the Facebook Messenger chat with him. Like, it was the skin problems are picking up his voice and not my own. But you can see me reacting to it like genuinely. So that's all this is, guys. You got the second part now, just like after this, and you should see I'll blur his girlfriend's face out as well if he wants me to. I'll message him and see. You'll see his girlfriend just came in from work. So yeah, guys, enjoy the rest of the video. Leave a like, leave a comment if you want stuff like this to come every day. I should do spirit box apps with this app alone. Like, this is a new app that I just bought. Most YouTubers usually, you'll probably see Mosaji, Oh My Gosh, and Hunting the Dead use it. So this spirit box app is really good. As you see, and turn it up. You got a reverb on it. See? See, so I said something there, I didn't know what it said. That app isn't. I see Oh My Gosh and that use that app, and HTD and Mosaji. So if you want me to do, like, go somewhere, say as a spirit box area, like I can go to haunted places, haunted grounds and stuff, and just try and do stuff like that. If you guys want to see that, leave a like and leave a comment if you would love to see that. Alright guys, back to the video. Peace.
You what? What? Oh shit. Thank you. Oh, I told you I heard a bang upstairs. Alright. Alright, so my kid's still in the prep. Still watching TV. Still no one in the kitchen. Going upstairs. No one in the bathroom. No one in the kids' room. You see that? Yeah. Is there anyone in here? The shower? That is the shower. That's it. Spare room. It's a very small room. Well, they can't fucking fit behind there. My room. Wardrobe. Under the bed. This is where we see someone jump out in it. No one under the bed. No one under the cot. Go around one more time. No one in there. This one, look. You what? Yeah? There's definitely no one in here.
So I rendered the video for you guys. This occurred in my video. This is the rendered out video. Let me turn it off for you guys.
Alright, let's try one more time. Let's try one more.
And this is the, I don't know why this done this, but it goes on and on and on and on until I get to there. Until I get to the second part here.
What?
So, not for you guys, and that happened. So I don't know what happened there. Thanks guys, hope you enjoyed the video, bye.